Hey there, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a super useful video for you. We're going to show you the best way to clean artificial grass in your backyard. So, if you want to keep your outdoor space looking fresh and clean, stick around because we've got some great tips for you. 1. Gather your supplies. The first thing you need to do is gather your supplies. A stiff brush or broom. A leaf blower, optional. Mild detergent. A bucket of water. A hose with a spray nozzle. 2. Remove debris. Now it's time to remove any debris from your artificial grass. Leaves, sticks, and other loose items can accumulate over time. Use a stiff brush or broom to gently sweep them away. If you have a leaf blower, it's even easier. 3. Cleaning solution. Next, prepare a cleaning solution. Fill a bucket with water and add a small amount of mild detergent. You don't need much, just a couple of tablespoons will do. After scrubbing, rinse the grass with a hose using a spray nozzle. This will help remove the soapy residue and leave your artificial grass looking fresh. 4. Spot cleaning. For any stubborn stains, use a bit of extra detergent and elbow grease to spot clean the affected areas. 5. Regular maintenance. Finally, remember to regularly brush your artificial grass to keep it looking its best. This helps to prevent matting and keeps the grass looking vibrant. And there you have it. That's the best method for cleaning your artificial grass. It's easy and affordable and keeps your outdoor space looking fantastic.